So you have never run before? You must be wondering, can I run 10 kilometers uninterrupted? The answer is yes. Why 10K, you may ask? Because 10K is a classic distance. It is not easy but not difficult either, provided you've trained well. And it gives you a sense of achievement. Many local events have a 10K run, and it will eventually become your stepping stone for greater glory. That is, half and full marathons as you gain knowledge and experience. All it takes to finish the race smiling is just 3 months of training. Weight loss, if you are targeting that, serves as bonus. To ace the 10K distance well, you'd require a certain level of fitness, a good amount of preparation, and tactical thinking. Unlike a full marathon training, it doesn't require too much of your time on weekends and weekdays. Anybody with a day job should be able to train for it without letting their other schedules go haywire. 10K program is designed to be achieved over a period of 3 months, keeping in mind that you are able to walk and do an occasional jog. It also incorporates 2 days of rest and another 2 days of cross-training. Cross-training could be swimming, cycling, and even jumping ropes within your home environment. Basically, any activity that includes moderate cardiovascular function and spikes your heart rate to 120 beats per minute or higher. In the initial stages, don't worry about how fast you can run. Just run at a pace you are comfortable with and stop when you can't. Ideally, you should be running at a pace where you can hold a conversation with a fellow runner without huffing and puffing. Walking is allowed when you need to catch your breath. Needless to say, if you have not run before, you will find it difficult to run. You will fall short of breath and would have a strong urge to stop. It is completely normal. Here's the good thing: Mondays and Thursdays are your recovery days where you will only be resting. Wednesdays and Saturdays are the days when you'll be doing a cross-training activity other than running. That leaves you with just 3 days of running. So effectively, Tuesdays, Fridays, and Sundays are your main days where you will be running. Achievable. Yes, you are allowed to walk. The weekly mileage and distance will gradually increase so that you make best use of your increased strength.